Hello guys, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making goat meat jollof rice. Here we have washed goat meat. Add onions. Here we have thyme, 1 tablespoon. Add garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of grounded red pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Mix well and cover to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add some water. We're adding 3 cups of water and then let it cook for about 20 minutes. So the meat is soft. Goat meat can be very hard, that's why you cook it that long. This is 20 minutes after. Check to see if it's soft. Meat is ready. Next we're gonna fry it in vegetable oil. Add some oil to the meat, to the pot. Next add chopped onions, fry the onions till it caramelizes. Then you add the goat meat. Goat meat till it's brown. Goat meat is ready. Remove the goat meat from the pot. Now we're going to fry tomato paste, 1 tablespoon, in the same oil that we used to fry the goat meat. Adding 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of seasoning, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 bay leaf, fry, now we're going to add the blended pepper. Blended pepper includes tomatoes, bell pepper, and onions. Mix well and you fry. This is what it looks like when the pepper is fried and ready to use. Ready for you to add the washed rice. This is the washed rice. Add it to the pepper. Mix well. Add goat meat stock. Cover with parchment paper, or you can use foil just to help steam the rice. We're going to cook for 10 minutes on low heat. This is after 10 minutes. See if the rice is ready and soft. It's not ready yet, so we're going to add chopped onions and the fried goat meat and steam some more. I'm going to steam on low heat again for about 5 more minutes. Mix well. Again with the parchment paper, and like I said earlier, steam for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check to see if it's okay and the rice is dry. If it's not dry, then we steam some more. The rice needs some more time to dry, so I'm going to cover it back up and let it steam for another 2 minutes. The rice is ready, looks good.